The second concept or feature which is helping to reduce the latency is using the uplink grant-free transmission. So for the extremely low latency and reliability requirement, it is desirable to support the uplink grant-free transmission, which means that the data transmission is transmitted without resource request. So the uplink grant-free transmission can avoid the regular hand-check delay, so sending the scheduling request and waiting for the uplink grant allocation. Fixed wireless access actually is one of the drivers which is pushing the development of the 5G, and can we consider it one of the pillars for the 5G development. So what is fixed wireless access, or FWA? The fixed wireless access is a way of providing wireless connectivity through radio links between two fixed points. Or, in other words, you can say that the fixed wireless is a way to provide a wireless internet access to homes or business units without laying fiber and the cables to provide the last mile connectivity. So in this picture, you can see that we are providing internet inside the home, wireless, without the need to have a connection and without the need to lay out some cables or fiber cables for the last mile connectivity. By the way, the fixed wireless access is not a new product, but the 5G fixed wireless access is positioned as superior to the previous attempts to deploy fixed wireless access. So we have many previous trials to deploy the fixed wireless access. For example, using the wireless technologies like LMDS, the local multi-point distribution service. And the LMDS is defined as a broadband wireless access technology originally designed for digital television transmission, the DTV. And it was conceived as fixed wireless point to multi-point technology. Also, there are many other trials to deploy the fixed wireless access, like using the WiMAX or even using 3G or 4G. The fixed wireless access is providing extreme mobile broadband capacity, and it is enabling the operators to address new and existing broadband opportunities. The fixed wireless access services will require large amounts of bandwidth, and this is necessary to provide the fiber-like services. So the 5G cellular network are providing millimeter waves to enable those new applications and the dramatic increase in data rates compared to the previous generation. And this is mainly in the frequency band 2, if you remember the frequency spectrum of the 5G. Actually, we can categorize the fixed wireless access into 4 types or 4 cases according to the use case of each one of them. These 4 cases can be named as broadband for unconnected, broadband to compete with fixed alternatives, backup broadband, and base station backhaul. So if you look to this picture, you can see the first case, which is roof mounted or semi-fixed equipment in residential premises, which is the first type of the fixed wireless access, providing the fixed wireless access to residential areas and to homes. The second one, or the second type of the fixed wireless access, is the roof mounted or semi-fixed equipment in business premises, providing the fixed wireless access to the business unit. The third type of the fixed wireless access is the fixed wireless access unit as a backup connectivity for enterprises. And the fourth and last one is fixed wireless access solution backhaul for small cells. Actually, the fixed wireless access is helping to deliver a triple win for all parties. So for operator, it is helping the operator to compete in the home broadband and small business market. For the end user, it is providing connectivity in the unserved and remote rural areas. And for local agencies, such as police and emergency services, it is providing the service for those agencies.